Welcome back here with us on Times Now. We are keeping you ahead on the biggest story of the day, and that is about what is really happening in Tamil Nadu with Vijay's TVK. How is he going to reach that magic number of 118? Talks are underway at various levels, and what we have now learned is that preparations are also underway at Nehru Indoor Stadium for TVK leader Vijay's swearing-in ceremony that's likely to take place on May 7th. That is tomorrow, which we have learned is likely to take oath alone tomorrow. Let's go across to my colleague Kritika, who is joining us live right now for more on this. Kritika, so you've learned that the oath-taking ceremony is likely to happen tomorrow, and Vijay is expected to take oath alone tomorrow because he's yet to confirm that how is his party really going to reach that magic number of 118?
Hina, could you please come again? See, as far as the magic number is in fact concerned, we are also learning of how Congress in a short while from now is expected to in fact make an official announcement lending its support to the DMK alliance. In fact, there was a huge press conference also yesterday by KC Venugopal, wherein a huge announcement rather was made over a breaking of their alliance with the DMK and siding with the TVK now for in fact making sure that the mandate of the people of Tamil Nadu is respected, and that is why they're now going to lend their support. This is the word that is coming in from senior Congress leadership, and now the Tamil Nadu Congress Committee will also in fact be making their announcement. We can expect in fact details of their conditional support as well. Already we've we've already informed our viewers about how 2 cabinet berths were reportedly also demanded by the Congress party. A consensus has been received on having one of that, but still, despite Congress lending support, there is still seats left. There is still work to be done on part of TVK's party, and that is why we're also seeing a lot of murmur that is currently present as far as AIA-DMK is concerned. They have managed to secure 47 seats, but now we're learning that over 30 MLAs have already expressed their intent to join Vijay's TVK. Whether that is going to happen right before the swearing in or in due course over the next 5 years is something that of course we'll have to watch out for, but for now even that remains a possibility, because even as Kovai Satyan, the AIA-DMK's spokesperson, denied these claims of any faction, of any, in fact...
so, Kritika, while there are claims and counter-claims, what we are showing to our viewers right now are preparations that are also underway for a mega oath-taking ceremony. We are getting visuals from Nehru Indoor Stadium, where it's all getting ready for that big ceremony tomorrow. What are more details that you can share with us as far as the ceremony is concerned?
Well, currently what we're learning from our sources is 11:30 is the time that has been, in fact, allotted for the swearing in. It's expected to happen tomorrow, and even as of now, I'm reporting outside of Vijay's residence, and this is the car of his astrologer, Radhan Pandit. Remember, this is what we'd also broken on the counting day that the astrologer had before the counting started at about 8 a.m. Reached here, he'd also, in fact, predicted a massive victory for TVK as far as the Tamil Nadu elections are in fact concerned. He's also in there currently. Will that also mean an official announcement on the alliance, on in fact the timing of the swearing in from the official page of the party as well, remains to be seen. But what we can confirm to our viewers is that preparations are underway in the Nehru Stadium for swearing in. Remember earlier also at the time of the film Leo, that is where the audio launch had happened, where Mr. Vijay was also present, and now he will be present there as the Chief Minister of Minister face. Over to you.
Right. Stay on with us, Kritika. In fact, those are the visuals, viewers, that you can see on your screens right now. These visuals are from Nehru Indoor Stadium, where the oath-taking ceremony is likely to happen. Preparations have already begun. The stage is being set there, and this is the place where Vijay is likely to, take oath. And before that, he's expected to have a meeting with the governor today. This is what we've learned. And he's expected to take oath alone tomorrow. And this afternoon, he's also likely to visit, in fact, the TVK headquarters. So these are some of the developments that have taken place. We've also learned that Vijay's astrologer is also at his residence right now. Let's also tell you a little bit about the number game here, because it is important to understand how will Vijay really reach this magic number majority number that he needs 118 in this assembly of 234 seats. So Vijay currently has 108 seats. Now there is a huge possibility that Congress party could soon announce an alliance with Vijay's TVK. But even that will not be enough for Vijay to reach this majority mark of 118 because Congress only has got 5 MLAs right now. So what is the other option? The other option is joining hands with other smaller parties. For example, you've got CPIM and CPI and VCK. All these three political parties have got 2 MLAs each. Then you've got PMK as well. That's got 4 MLAs right now. So these are the potential allies of Vijay's TVK. If all of them come together and extend support to Vijay's TVK, then the number is going to be 123. Definitely, this is a better number. It will be way above the majority mark of 118. So these are some of the possibilities that are on the cards right now. But like we said, meetings are currently going on. Nothing has been finalized as of now. Hectic parleys are still underway. Let's go across to my colleague Dharini, who is joining us live at this point in time. Dharini, now, the preparations on one hand clearly are underway. On the other hand, the question is going to be as to who is going to support Vijay in government formation, because after taking oaths tomorrow at 11:30, that is going to be the next big task for Vijay and his party. Dharini, can you hear me? Okay, we will try and reconnect with Dharini in just a bit, but some important developments, viewers, that have taken place right now. Let me quickly recap those for you. There are meetings currently that are underway. In a short while from now, a press conference by Congress leaders is expected to happen. Dharini is back with us. Dharini, so AIADMK, we know a camp in AIADMK wants to ally with the TVK. Then you've got Congress party that would want AIADMK to stay away from TVK. So what's really happening on the ground? What is the latest that you can share with us?
In fact, the AIADMK is right now vertically split. One faction under C.V. Shanmugam, they want to join hands with Vijay Tamilak Vetri Kalagam and they want to be part of the cabinet because they feel that right now the AIADMK is not even an opposition party in Tamil Nadu because the DMK has become the opposition party. So only by being in the cabinet, the AIADMK can maintain its political relevance is what one section of MLAs under C.V. Shanmugam they feel. On the other hand, Edappadi Palaniswamy is of a different opinion. He says that AIADMK is a 50-year-old party. AIADMK had been in power for almost 30 years in Tamil Nadu. So such a huge party should not voluntarily go for an alliance with a 2-year-old new party like Tamilak Vetri Kalagam. That will bring down the standards of AIADMK is what Edappadi Palaniswamy feels on the other hand. So there is a vertical split in AIADMK at the moment, and in fact right now we are reporting from in front of C.V. Shanmugam's residence. Just a short while back, 2 senior leaders, S.P. Velumani and Karupanan, both of them, they were here at C.V. Shanmugam's residence and they held a brief meeting, after which both of them, they refused to comment on whether one set of MLAs under C.V. Shanmugam will join hands with TVK or not. But one thing is very clear, that Edappadi Palaniswamy is under immense pressure because since 2019, Edappadi Palaniswamy has lost every single election fought under him in AIADMK. So while this is happening on one end, on the other end, we can expect the Tamil Nadu Congress unit to formally announce their support to Tamilak Vetri Kalagam in a short while from now.
Before the formal announcement is made, Dharini, stay on with us. We are getting some more breaking inputs as well. We have learned that Congress leader Girish is likely to meet Vijay. This is the latest update that we have learned. High-level talks are expected today as TVK Cong tie-up gathers pace. Let's go across to my colleague Shomit for more on this. Shomit, what more details can you share with us as far as this meeting is concerned between Congress leader Girish and Vijay?
Well, very short while from now, what we are learning from the Congress sources is that we have just spoken to the Congress leaders, and just Congress leaders are entering into this Taj Club House in the Chennai city, where the meeting has already begun, and Girish is meeting all the MLAs. And short while from now, it is expected that he will be announcing a formal announcement by the KNCC on behalf of the KNCC, stating that they will be extending support to the TVK. So just a while ago, the meeting has begun here at the Taj Club House, and after the meeting, Girish is expected to meet Vijay at his residence, and they will be basically, after announcing support, he will be going there and he will be announcing his support, and he will also be formally meeting Vijay, and then he'll also be discussing terms about the alliance, is what we are right now understanding from the sources. And so, as of now, just like I was mentioning, the meeting has already begun here at the Taj Club House, and MLAs have already arrived, and few Congress leaders have also arrived. And very short while from now, just now, one of the top Congress leaders spoke to Times Now and stated that the meeting has started, and very short while from now, the discussion will be held, and they will be coming shortly, is what right now we are understanding. So as of now, we can clearly see Congress leaders are arriving here at the Taj Club House, and they are going to participate in the meeting, and after that the decision will be known, and they will be announcing.
Thank you very much, Shamit, for the moment, for joining us with your input on the story. For now, slipping into a very, very short break. We'll be back with lots more. Stay with us.